Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be giving you easy Excel tip. If you want to add tick checkbox in your Excel sheet, so how you can do that so that you can give an option for ticking any item so that people can select their choice. So in this Excel sheet, just for an example, so I have please pick 3 food items for breakfast, and then there is a please pick 1 drink for breakfast. So in this column A13 to A17, and then from A21 to A25, I need a small box to appear as a where one can put up a tick for selection. So how you can do that? If you see on the top here, there is no developer. There should be option for developer. If there is no such option, so what you need to do is you have to just place the cursor anywhere and then right click, and as you can see I place the cursor here and right click and get the option customize the ribbon. So I have to click that. So I am selecting customize the ribbon. So see, this is open, so make sure the left side is you have a choice customize ribbon, and if you see the developer option here, it is off, so you can select that developer. So you have click that, click OK. So once you click OK, you will have an option on the top as a developer. So see, now you can see the option developer. Next to help there is a option developer. Okay, so now you have to place the cursor to the first cell, which is A13. So my cursor is there, A13, and now you select developer and then insert. If you click insert, see there are different option. So the third one is checkbox. So I have to click checkbox and then select here. See, my checkbox is here. So if you see, it is little bit downward, it is in between 13 and 14 rows. So you just with the cursor key move the cursor there, and then if you see this, right click, I will show it again, right click on that, and then it will be showing an option. So once you have this cross sign, you have to drag that to the top. So you can drag that. So I drag that, and there is some text appearing checkbox. So you can again like right click and edit text, and then you can delete that checkbox 1. So I click that. So my checkbox is, so if I click on that, it will be untick, tick, untick, tick. So now I want the same thing to be copied in the other rows also. So what you need to do is move the cursor and place the cursor here, because if you just click, it will be simply option will be selected. So you have to just move with the cursor. Once you move there, then you have to put up the press the control button, and then you have to select the other cells. So these are my cells I want to copy, and then control D. So once I copy that, see this one, I will show it again. So I will do undo. So move the cursor. So and then once it is done, then with the press the control key, and then keep selecting the cells where you want to copy. Once you selected that, then press control and then press D. So see, my option is there. So now you can select, let's say 3 food items, bread and muffins and cakes, and 1 drink for breakfast. Let's say I go for black tea. See how easy it is. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy Excel tips.